Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design. The S25 Ultra sports a premium glass and metal finish with a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED display. It's vibrant, with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The curved edges give it a sleek look, but are they practical? We'll discuss that later. Now, onto the camera system. The S25 Ultra features a massive 200MP main sensor, along with a 12MP ultra-wide and 210MP telephoto lenses. The low-light performance is impressive, and the zoom capabilities simply mind-blowing. Let's check out some sample shots. Under the hood, we have the latest Snapdragon processor and up to 16 GB of RAM. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone handles it all effortlessly. Let's look at some performance benchmarks and gaming tests. Battery life is crucial, and the S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint with its 5000 mAh battery. I easily got through a full day of heavy use. Plus, fast charging and wireless charging options are always a bonus. Running on One UI 5.0, the software experience is smooth and intuitive. Features like split-screen multitasking and customizable themes add to the user experience. Let's highlight a few standout features that make this phone a productivity powerhouse. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra worth the hype? At a starting price of insert price, it's certainly a premium device. If you're someone who values top-tier photography, performance, and a stunning display, this phone is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. What are your thoughts on the S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below.